Hello and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting product to review, the Sanag Open-Ear Bone Conduction Headphones. These wireless Bluetooth headphones are designed for active individuals who want to enjoy their music while staying aware of their surroundings. Let's dive into the details of this innovative product. First, let's talk about the key features of the Sanag Open-Ear Bone Conduction Headphones. These headphones use bone conduction technology, which means they don't go inside your ears. Instead, they sit comfortably on your temples, allowing you to hear your music while still being aware of your surroundings, making them perfect for activities like running, cycling, and sports. The headphones come with a 400 mAh charging case, offering up to 5 hours of music playback on a single charge. With the charging case, you can get up to 20 hours of uninterrupted listening, addressing the common issue of short usage times in traditional bone conduction devices. Operating these headphones is a breeze with touch-sensitive controls on the headset. Adjusting volume and controlling your music has never been easier. Weighing only 7 grams and designed with skin-friendly silicone, the unique curved moon shape ensures a lightweight and stable fit, making them comfortable for extended use. These headphones reduce sound leakage by 90%, so you can enjoy your favorite tunes without disturbing others around you. In conclusion, the Sanag Open-Ear Bone Conduction Headphones offer a unique and safe way to enjoy music while staying connected to your surroundings. With a long-lasting battery, comfortable fit, and sound quality that's great for podcasts and audiobooks, they are a solid choice for active individuals. That's it for our review of the Sanag Open-Ear Bone Conduction Headphones. If you're interested in a unique listening experience that prioritizes safety, these headphones might be the perfect fit for you. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.